Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add credit to United Airlines app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your United Airlines app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once logged in, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and on tapping it here, scroll down until you find the option that says payment methods or wallet. Now on tapping it, look for an option like add payment method or add credit card. Enter your credit card details like cardholder name, card number, expiration date, CVV code, and optionally add a billing address if required. Now next is to save the card. Confirm and save the card to your account. If you plan to use the card frequently, set it as your default payment method and then verify your card if required. United might request verification for security purposes. Follow any prompts to complete the process. And then lastly, you can use the card for bookings by using the card as the payment option during checkout for flights, upgrades, or other services. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.